Today we discuss about the topic Financial Crisis of 2008 and the role of RBI. The role of RBI is crucial and immense in the revival of Indian economy from the great financial recession during the period 2007-2010. The world has witnessed the worst financial crisis since the Great Depression, 1929-1933. This is the first global recession of the new era of globalization. The tragedy came to be known as subprime crisis or mortgage crisis that emerged from the US financial sector. It pervaded to both advanced and underdeveloped countries through the process of international transmission. It led to the collapse of banking institutions abroad. However, Indian economy was escaped or insulated from the micro and macro collapse. Due to the strong intervention of the Reserve Bank of India and our government helps to implement effective economic policies comprised both monetary and fiscal policies. The economists and policy makers unanimously agreed the role of RBI and monetary policies in the revival of Indian economy from the great financial recession. During this period, RBI adopted accommodative monetary policy. Due to the regulations of RBI, the Indian banks have taken fewer risk than their peer banks in abroad. It minimized the role of casino capitalism in the Indian financial arena. RBI adopted the Basel norms and implemented the provisions very effectively in our financial system. During the economic meltdown period, RBI pursued cheap money policy and injects the purchasing power in the system by removing credit bottlenecks. RBI has chalked out various stimulus packages or bailout programs on December 7, 2008, January 2 and January 9, 2009. It helped to maintain public confidence and prevent both Sensex index and Nifty index from the mass breakdown. RBI has also taken appropriate measures like reduction of cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, repo rate and reverse repo rate in order to augment the supply of money. RBI advocated to all commercial banks and other developmental banks to write off or waive off debts that are taken by marginal farmers and vulnerable sections of the society. All these preventive techniques lessened the impact of great financial recession on Indian economy. More clearly, in India, not even a single financial institution has collapsed, whereas many such institutions have collapsed in US, UK and other countries. The G20 meeting held at London, Washington and recently at Toronto highlighted the role of central banks all over the world in the revival of global economy in general and RBI in particular. The credit goes to Reserve Bank of India and its judicial activities. In the post-crisis period, RBI adopted dear money policy or tight monetary policy to combat both food and non-food inflation. Raghuram Rajan speak a summary. Panels to strengthen monetary policy framework. Panel of experts under Deputy Governor Urjit Patel. Second, branching to be liberalized for scheduled domestic banks. Third, new bank licenses issued by January 2014, chaired by Bimal Jalan. Fourth, foreign banks to be persuaded to move to wholly owned subsidiary structure. Fifth, financial inclusion to be studied by committee. Sixth, bold steps to increase depth of securities market. Trade settlement in rupee to be pushed. Close look at non-performing assets and recovery process. Inflation indexed savings certificates linked to consumer price index by November. Thank you.